Hey everybody, I'm Dan Harris, and I'll be teaching this section of HUM1860, Introduction to Film. So this is the fun class. I know all you guys are studying things like nursing and law, but I want to point out some things in this class that can help you in your other classes. So I've taught this class a few times, and there are just a few things I want to pass on to you guys. They are 2 things I expect from you guys and why, 2 bits of studying advice, and 1 thing about my classes. So, first, what I expect and why. Proper writing in the discussion areas. Why? The final project in this class is a film review, writing. This is the only formal writing assignment in the class, and it's at the end of the class. So I need to see your formal writing in the discussion areas while the class is going on, so I can help you with proper academic writing for the final. The other why for your other classes is I expect nursing and law involve some writing, so you can practice your business writing in this class for your other classes. Read the directions carefully for both discussion prompts and assignments. Now, I was a college student once too. I know how a lot of you are doing it. I just have one adjustment. Let me demonstrate. So, the student me thinks, okay, I got a few minutes to work on that film class assignment. Let's take a look. I bring up the prompt. I read it. I think, I got this. Right. Enter. Right? Now, this is the way to do it for proper writing. And you'll notice it's only one thing that's different. The student me thinks, okay, look at that film class. I bring up the prompt. I got this. All right. But I wait. And I reread. And I think, that's not the word I meant. Fix that. There's a misspelling. Fix that. Spelled my own name wrong. Fix that. Then I hit enter and submit. Now, no mistakes, and it should be proper writing. That's it. Why? This is how you can have proper writing. And I need to see your proper writing style now, so I can help you for the final at the end of the class. And the other why for your other classes is, as I said before, nursing and law involves some writing. This is how you have proper writing. Reread, make fixes, then submit. Now, 2 bits of studying advice. Read the prompts for the discussions and the assignments before you watch the film for the week. A big thing I tell students is that watching a movie is an active pursuit. You need to be looking for things. But how do you know what to look for? Look at what the discussions and the assignments are for the week. Those will give you clues as to what to look for. Take notes when reading the modules. The class is set up where the info and the terms and the modules end up in the discussions and the assignments. So, for example, you'll be studying a bit about formal techniques in film lighting. When you see that in the module, take notes. I guarantee you the terms will end up in the discussions, assignments, and the quizzes. You should use proper terms. This is just one example. So, one last thing about how I do my classes. I write notes. I write a lot of notes. I don't just put the grade in. And when I write in the discussion areas, I'm always noting things on how to improve your discussion posts. And pay attention to those, because those are the notes that will help you with the writing for the final, which is at the end of the class. I write notes in your homework, discussion posts when I grade them. I'll often mark up assignments, and I'll give detailed notes on how to improve. What I'm saying here is that most of my teaching online style is in the notes. So, please read them. Okay, that's it. My goal in this class is that when you finish, you'll be able to thoroughly enjoy a film after you come home from that job that you're studying for now. I hope you enjoyed the class.